Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing with you guys some more super easy Dollar Tree DIYs. So last year I was more on the GLAM Christmas train. I'm not sure about this year, but these are some of the DIYs that I made last year. Make sure to check them out. I'm gonna go ahead and link these above and then also in the description box. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I would love it if you became part of the DIY family by subscribing to my channel and hitting that bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. For this DIY, I'm going to be using this musical note wrapping paper, and I just purchased this at Tuesday morning and it was 40% off. It's 30 inches by 10 feet. I got it for about $1 and change. I also printed out the lyrics to Silent Night. And I have one of these fall signs from Dollar Tree. I wanted to use Mod Podge, but I realized I'm completely out of it, so I'm just gonna have to use some tacky glue to make up for it. And then also these little sleds are from Dollar Tree as well. I'm just reusing what I have. This little bow thing comes on the sleigh. I'm just gonna remove it and use it on its own. And then also some twine.
Dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you.
This is acrylic paint from Dollar Tree, and I have to be honest with you, it is not very good.
Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind.
After crumpling it up a few times, I'm gonna take my really small lighter and then very carefully, if you're gonna be doing this, very carefully, just start burning the ends.
It's a magical time full of kisses. Take a walk outside and tickle the snowman's nose. Moving nimbly, did you hear something from the chimney? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Oh, whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas, I only wanna be close to you. Dressed in golden red, garlands and ribbon thread.
For this next one, we're going to be using the same music wrapping paper and then also a couple of these Dollar Tree LED lights. I'm also going to be using some Dollar Tree twine, and I haven't decided yet or not if I'm going to use these rub-on transfers.
For your life, on this Christmas night, all the angels are singing. On this Christmas night, they are singing for you and me. On this Christmas night, they are singing 'cause love endures.
last one, we're going to be using one of these little buckets. These come in a pack of 3 from Dollar Tree. And then I have another one of those little bow looking things with a pine cone. Honestly, I don't really remember if I got this last year from Dollar Tree or if it's something that I got from Joann's. It's just in my stockpile, so it has that festive Christmas feel. So I'm going to use this reindeer moss and some of my rub-on decals. Some more Dollar Tree twine, and then also a little bit of this burlap. And you know what? I have this pumpkin just laying around. It's sort of like styrofoam.
I see snowflakes on the chimneys, and the candles have a certain glow. A secret and a song, even church bells sing along, and the children making angels in the snow. Oh, and I fall into peace and silence on a very special Christmas Eve.
So much for joining me. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you leave me a thumbs up, leave me any comments down below, let me know which one was your favorite DIY. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.